In this video, we will discuss about local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. A computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. We generally use networks for communication using email, video, instant messaging, and other methods. Sharing devices such as printers, scanners, and photocopies, sharing files, sharing software and operating programs on remote systems, allowing network users to easily access and maintain information. There are various types of computer networks available. We can categorize them according to their size as well as their purpose. The size of a network should be expressed by the geographic area and number of computers which are a part of their networks. It includes devices housed in a single room to millions of devices spread across the world. There is basically three types of network: local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Local area network is a private network that connects computers and devices within a limited area like a residence, an office, a building, or a campus. On a small scale, LANs are used to connect personal computers to printers. However, LANs can also extend to a few kilometers when used by companies, where a large number of computers share a variety of resources like hardware, as for example printers, scanners, audiovisual devices, etc., and software, for example application programs and data. In a university, suppose all the hosts are connected through LAN. Then one of the PC can be converted into server and all the other PCs will be clients which can have access to the data stored on the client computers. By having this kind of facility, the dean and the professors of the university can easily share data or resources with each other as they are on the same network. The resources like printers, hard disk, and fax machine can publicly use all the nodes in LAN networks. Software testers can also use LAN network for sharing their testing tools within an office or within a factory using the client-server model of the network system. The software can be put on one centralized server whose data is made accessible by all the client PCs with the help of a local administrator. The clients can also suggest the changes if they require any of their business purposes on the same network regarding the tool. The sharing a software tool locally will make the work easy and speed up the ongoing process. A metropolitan area network is a larger network than LAN. It often covers multiple cities or towns. It is quite expensive and a single organization may not have on it. Various government bodies use MAN network for interconnectivity between their departments' offices situated at different locations. MAN can be used to connect various police stations which are situated within a district or city with each other. The officers can easily communicate with each other and quickly pass on the important data and an urgent message over this network without any need for the internet connection. Any private firm can also use a MAN network for interconnectivity between their offices situated at two different towns of a district. The firm can share resources like data file, images, software, and hardware parts with each other. Thus, it provides resource sharing over a large distance than the LAN networks. Wide area networks covers a large area than LAN as well as MAN, such as country, continent, etc. WAN is expensive and should or might not be owned by one organization. PSTN or satellite medium is used for wide area networks. The WAN networks are used for military services. The satellite mode of transmission is used to this setup. Military operations require highly security network for communication. Thus, WAN is used in this scenario. Railways reservation and airlines use WAN network. The client nodes are situated all over the country and are connected to a centralized server node, and all are connected to one network. Thus, booking can be done from anywhere in the country. Now, the comparison between LAN, MAN, and WAN. The computers in LAN are connected in small and physical area. MAN covers a larger geographic area than LAN, and WAN covers a larger distance. LAN is faster than WAN. MAN is high speed, but WAN is less speed than LAN. LAN is more private. MAN is highly secure, but WAN is less private. LAN operate on peer-to-peer. MAN operated by organizations and public utilities. WAN operate on client to server. In LAN, hardware focus on sharing resources. In MAN, hardware focuses on data transmission. But in WAN, hardware focuses on communication. Data speed is high in LAN. Data speed is moderate in MAN. But in WAN, data speed is low. Now try this. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LAN, MAN and WAN. Discuss about personal area networks, home area networks, campus networks and backbone network.